Magadiko. Yes. Takazosvitsa 100,000 subscribers by YouTube. Saka tatumirwa this thing na YouTube. This is it. Saka takurivhura manje, you know. More award, you know. I don't call it an award, I call it a reward, you know. Because we really worked hard for this to happen. I say, Ghetto to pure award cannot reward. And so nice. YouTube. The award did many congratulations on subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact YouTube. You know what I mean? This is it right here. YouTube award. Icho. YouTube award and maybe say boxing. Maybe say futi mu plastic munasona drakanyorwa kunzi chi. Awatu kutenda mese. Ese vanobuda pa YouTube Ghetto Crown King. Everybody who support Ghetto Crown King, you know. Tukutenda mese. This is it. Ameno tiri kubuda because YouTube saka tukutenda zvakanyanyisa because this is nice, you know. Nyatsooneka because zvakanyorwa nesilver, but this is nice, you know. 100,000 views. Ghetto Crown King takaenda, yeah. Presented to Ghetto Crown King for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube, you know. Yes, like I said again, you know, it's a pleasure to be recognized, and everybody, you know, Ghetto Crown King in the you may say it's not a one-man band. Ghetto Crown King. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody who support Ghetto Crown King. Whether that Nito, you know, kumbari monetary, my programs at Nito. I'd like to thank everybody, and the big thing is maybe when I go to Zimbabwe, when all the guys are available, and we can sit down and make sure that we can thank everybody personally, because if I do it, I might forget one or two. So I say, everybody who's part of Ghetto Crown King, thanks very, very much for supporting and being part of Ghetto Crown King. Yes, vanokomenta, vanondituka, nevaskandifarira nevanondifarira mese, tukutendai. Maita basa.